Many people find themselves trapped in the cycle of debt, struggling to break free. Have you ever wondered how you can escape this cycle and live a life free from financial burdens? In this video, we're going to share 10 simple steps to help you get out of debt slowly but surely. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider. Wisdom for wealth builders. Hello everyone! If you're ready to take control of your finances and pave the way to a debt-free future, let's dive in and discover how you can achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. Number 1. Don't borrow money. Thinking about taking out another loan? Wait, hold on, and consider. Will this loan help me get out of debt or make things worse? You need to stop borrowing money, which means no more loans, no more swiping credit cards, and no more new debt. Change your behavior, how you see money, and your attitude toward debt. If you do, your life will improve a lot. Continuing to borrow money will just make your situation worse. Understand the real cost of borrowing, like using your credit card. Think long term. It might not be worth it. What to do? Use cash when shopping. Live within your means. Spend cash. Leave your credit card at home. Number 2. Keep an eye on your spending. Pay attention to where your money goes, like coffee shops, subscriptions, bills. You need to watch your spending. It's a tip you've probably heard a lot. Successful people know where their money goes and if it helps or hurts them. You know what I mean. Is your money helping you or not? To get out of debt this year, you need to know where your money is going. If not, it's tough to make a budget you'll stick to. First, figure out where to spend less. To do that, understand your spending and how you spend money. Use a small notebook to list your expenses, including mortgage, bills, food, transportation, gas, and your kids' education. Don't forget debt payments. You can use a budget tracker app or worksheet too. Keep receipts and list expenses daily. Whatever method you choose, use it consistently. Tracking helps you see where to cut spending without hurting your life. It lets you balance a debt-reducing budget with your lifestyle. Number 3. Make and stick to a budget. To get out of debt, live within your means. Don't overspend with credit cards or borrow for luxuries like a new phone. Be smart with your money. Once you track your expenses weekly or monthly, make a realistic budget you'll stick to. Write it down instead of just keeping it in your head. What are your money goals? Write those down too. Make sure they're achievable and realistic. Remember to build an emergency fund alongside paying off debt. It's crucial for unexpected expenses like medical emergencies. After clearing debt, you can focus on other financial goals, but write them down to stay on track, not just your goals, but your budget too. Number 4. Plan your payments. What's your strategy to get out of debt? Make a plan. It should be a solid strategy to follow. Make sure it helps you pay off your debt sufficiently. One popular strategy is the debt snowball method. Start by paying off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next one. List your debts from smallest to largest. Make minimum payments on all, but put extra money toward the smallest. Repeat until each debt is gone. This method builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Alternatively, focus on the debt with the highest interest rate. Choose based on your situation. Both methods can help you get debt-free. Number 5. Pay above the minimum. Don't settle for the minimum payment. Pay more. It's one of the quickest ways to become debt-free. Put as much money as possible toward your debt. It moves you closer to your main goal, being debt-free. If you can afford to pay more than the minimum each month, do it consistently. Forget about saving for those new shoes. Focus on clearing your debt instead. You'll appreciate it in the long run. Number 6. Negotiate with credit cards. Try renegotiating your credit card debt. Contact your credit card companies and discuss paying a lump sum instead of monthly payments. It's called debt settlement. Ask for a lower interest rate. They might agree if you've been a good player. If not, they might waive some fees. Don't hesitate to call. It could help you become debt-free. You might be pleasantly surprised by the outcome, so don't delay, make the call. Number 7. Switch utility providers. Think about changing your utility providers. Some bills can be reduced, freeing up money to pay off debt. Look at phone, cable, electricity, and insurance bills. Research and compare rates from different providers. Don't hesitate to switch if you find a better deal with the same quality service. You can save money and put it toward your debt. Number 8. Involve your family in budgeting. Open up to your family about your debt and your plans to tackle it. If they're not aware, it's time to share. Discuss your strategy for paying off debts quickly and ask for their input on repayment plans. It's crucial to involve them so they understand the situation and can contribute to budgeting and tracking expenses. This ensures everyone is on the same page, especially if you're the sole earner. Keeping them informed prevents overspending and aligns everyone with the budget. Even include the kids in the conversation to teach them about budgeting and saving, fostering financial literacy from a young age. Number 9. Stay flexible with your budget. Stick to your budget, but be ready to adjust it as needed. For instance, if there's an emergency or a sudden change, tweak your budget to handle it. Flexibility helps you manage finances when things go wrong. Write down your budget for easy tracking and preparation to make changes. You might even need to start over and create a new budget if necessary. Adjust your plan to survive and meet current needs. Sometimes you might need a temporary budget, especially during unexpected events. Be strict for a month or two to catch up and avoid more debt. But don't go overboard. Stick to essentials. Remember, your goal is to be debt-free. Resist impulse purchases and focus on needs over wants. Sacrifice now to achieve that big goal of becoming debt-free. Number 10. Make the decision to live without debt. Close your eyes and picture a life free from debt. Imagine the smiles on your face and your loved ones, feeling the weight lift off your shoulders. Envision the freedom of not owing anyone. This moment starts when you've mentally prepared for it. See yourself making wise financial choices and feeling secure. Visualizing this future helps motivate you to take the necessary steps toward it. Imagine the relief of not having bills looming over you, the peace of mind knowing you're in control. It's within your grasp once you commit to it wholeheartedly. So take that first step in your mind and soon it'll become your reality. Achieving financial freedom and living debt-free requires commitment, discipline, and strategic planning. By implementing the practical steps outlined, individuals can pave the way towards a brighter financial future. Remember, the journey to debt-free living is not just about managing money. It's about embracing a mindset of empowerment and envisioning the life you deserve. What actions will you take today to start your journey towards financial freedom? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights on achieving financial prosperity. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.